With so many new options in your washer, how do you know which cycle setting to choose when starting a load of laundry? Don't worry about making the call yourself. Let the SmartThings app tell you what settings to use to get your clothes nice and clean. To use this feature, make sure your washer is paired with the SmartThings app on your smartphone and that Smart Control is turned on the washer panel. If you need help connecting, check out our video on that first. To check the laundry recipe for a load, open the SmartThings app. Tap the connected washer. Now, tap Laundry Recipe in the upper right corner. Select the type of items you want to wash. As you tap items, the app will gray out other items that shouldn't be washed with the items already selected. Select your combo of garments and tap Next. Now, select the color and soil level of your items. Tap Get Recipe. The app will recommend the cycle settings that are best for this laundry load based on the information you put into the app. Now just tap Start to begin the cycle. You can cancel or pause the cycle at any time from the app.